wanted to get like a. Oh, that's amazing. I want to see like a lightning bolt. Kind of reminds me of the story I did watch. It's a movie, Harry Potter. It reminds me of a lightning bolt he has on his forehead. It's time check. What time is it? It's almost 12 midnight here. I can't sleep because it's very hot. Another plane. Look at that. What's gonna happen if the plane would pass through that clouds? You know that. I don't think so. It'll affect the radar or signal kind of thing. But what I notice is if the plane passes to a dark clouds, usually you'll see a flashlight or the light of the airplane. That's an airplane. See, that's amazing. See, you would see that. Oh, nothing is going in there. Ah, that's weird. That's weird. I don't think. Oh boy. It's trying to. It's trying to. Yeah, it's turning left. Yeah. Kind of afraid of the lightning, I guess. That's crazy. I mean, there's no room for failure, I believe, when you are a pilot. Because you have to make sure that everything or everyone is safe from taking off to landing. Enough said about the airplane and all that. Just a few more seconds, maybe 3 more minutes, not 30 seconds will do. I am actually trying to capture and see if I get something like a lightning strike. Not lightning strike, but lightning bolt. So when people record kind of stuff like this, you know. Few more seconds, and then give it a few more seconds.